Hello dear friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can make an effective dandruff hair shampoo, which is so effective in treating dandruff. Make sure that you watch this video until to the end. This shampoo is going to alleviate itchy scalp, dandruff, and dry scalp. So it's made with all natural products, and the color is from it's derived from natural products. So subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Give this video a like and comment in the section below. And I thank you so much, dear friends, for subscribing, for being supportive, for your kindness, your love, and your beautiful comments. I really appreciate you, friends, so much. So this video actually is so powerful. So we are going to use some neem. So has powerful and fungal and antibacterial properties of neem play a very important integral role in killing this dandruff causing germ and removing dandruff, and it will also promote hair growth. So neem will also soothe a dry, irritated scalp, and it can be used as an everyday shampoo because it contains neem leaf tincture and is suitable for all the family and will not actually interfere with your dyes or any other hair treatments, and it has all natural products that will work best for your scalp as well as your hair. And we're also going to use some aloe. Aloe will strengthen your hair. Aloe has many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. It will control greasy hair. It will help an itchy scalp. It will prevent your hair from UV damage, and it will promote hair growth. So now at this point, we are pouring in our herbs, and I'm trying to crush my aloe because I just want them to be in quite smaller pieces. And then we are adding our neem. So comment in the section below, friends. I would love to hear from you. And if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, you can click on that subscribe button and subscribe now. So we are pouring in our hot water, and then we're going to give it a stir, and then we're going to put it on fire on low setting so that the neem and the aloe can combine very well. So this is a powerful tea that can help alleviate an itchy scalp and dandruff. So we are sieving it now. So that is how it looks like, and the color looks so beautiful. So there will be no need of adding a colorant, because that will be the color from all natural products. So at this point, we are going to measure 65 grams of our aloe and neem water. So make sure that you're so precise with the measurements. So after that, we are going to add in our betaine. So betaine is efficient cleanser, and it will also serve as a foam stabilizer, and it detoxifies and viscosity modifiers. So glucoside is a mild non-ionic surfactant used in cosmetic formularies, and it also included in baby shampoos because it's very gentle and it's good for sensitive skin, and it's all natural, and it's a plant-derived surfactant. So we are going to mix gently, like so. Make sure that you don't introduce a lot of foam. Yes, friends. So continue mixing until it is well combined, until you are satisfied with what you are doing, like so. So have you seen, like, the color is more pronounced? So that is how it looks like. So at this point, we are going to use our xanthan gum and our glycerin. So xanthan gum will act as a stabilizer, thickener, binder, and conditioning agent. It will help ingredients to stay suspended in other ingredients, and it's actually found in thousands of personal care products, including moisturizers, shampoos, makeup, and other items. So we are going to add in our glycerin, vegetable glycerin, so it will actually help to hydrate our xanthan gum. So glycerin is actually a humectant. and it will draw moisture from the atmosphere and retain it in hair and also in skin. And glycerin moisturizes the scalp and promotes hair growth. So make sure that you combine it very well so that the xanthan gum is well hydrated until there are no lumps. So you actually discover that there will be no lumps. So it is hydrated, as you can see, and it is well combined. That is how it looks like, and it's so smooth. So at this point we are going to add our xanthan gum mixed with our glycerin into our beaker, into the mixture, like so. And then once you are done, you have to make sure that you mix it so that it is well combined. So give this video a like. If you are enjoying this video, give this video a thumbs up and comment in the section below, friends. I would love to hear from you. So as you can see, like our shampoo is thickening up. You can even use an emulsifier like BTMS. I'm yet to try BTMS in my shampoo. The next time I'll try BTMS. So at this point, that is how it looks like. So now we are going to add in 1.5 grams of our preservative. This is very, very important to prevent any microbials growing in your final product. And then we are going to mix it gently. Then after this, we are going to test for pH. So pH is very, very important. So it's not a myth, it's a reality that lower pH of shampoo may cause less freezing for generating less negative static electricity on fiber surface. So it's very, very important to adjust the pH if it is high. So for the scalp, the right pH is around 5.5. So if your pH is above that, then you have to make sure that you adjust your pH. So actually we did measure and it was between 5.5, which is very, very ideal. So as you can see, it is 5.5, friends. So at this point, our shampoo is safe for the scalp. So now it's time to package our shampoo. So subscribe to our channel, friends, and comment in the section below. I'd love to hear from you. So as you can see, like this shampoo has thickened very well and it is well combined. As you can see, like it worked very perfect for the scalp. So you can use this shampoo once per week or every 2 weeks, depending on your preference. So that is the final product, friends. I'm so happy because this is a success. You know, I really loved how it worked for our scalp and our hair. So if you're going to try to make this shampoo, comment in the section below. I'll make sure that I put all the measurements in the description box. So I love that brown color. It looks perfect from nature. So this is the time now to use our shampoo. So I'll concentrate the shampoo on the scalp. In fact, shampoo is for the scalp, friends, and then conditioner is for the hair. So I'm applying the water because I'm not doing it in the shower, and of course I had pre-shampooed my hair. Now it's time to spray. I'll just spray throughout the hair. This is just plain water, just some water, friends, so that the shampoo can work very well. So at this point, I was trying to open the bottle and I had a challenge actually. Like I couldn't see exactly where I could open it. But finally I did, and then I'll pour the shampoo on the scalp like so, and then keep on massaging on our scalp. So like after rinsing my hair, the hair was so clean. Like I'm going to share with you. Like of course at this point our hair is shrunken. Like, you know, natural hair really amazes me. At this point my hair looks as though it's small, but when it's not, it's just because it's shrunken, friends. Yes, you testify with me, right? So I'll continue like putting more shampoo on the scalp. So look at the thickness. I love it. So I'll continue like massaging. You can even go in with a brush massage, but I'm just using the pads of my hands. Continue massaging. You know, massage promotes blood flow to the scalp, hence promoting hair growth. So I mostly massage my scalp when I'm shampooing, when I'm applying my pre-shampoo. This is the time when I massage my scalp and to remove any dairy, any debris. So I'm just like twisting that here, that section, because it unraveled. And then once I'm done, I'm going in the shower and rinse. Of course, I'm not putting the shampoo on the rest of the hair strands, as you can see, because when we will be showering, the shampoo will be pouring to the rest of the hair and our hair will be well cleansed. So I appreciate you so much, dear friends, you know, for watching my videos and for subscribing to my 1040 subscribers. Thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. So share this video, comment in the section below, and you can actually, you know, sponsor my videos. You know, I'll be grateful. So I've just rinsed and I put on a t-shirt. So a t-shirt actually is very gentle. So at this point, like, our hair is so clean. As you can see, our scalp is so clean, but on that section I didn't cleanse well, so I'll go in with more water. So our scalp is clean, as you can see, friends. So this shampoo worked very, very well. Yes, but of course, one day I'm going to launch, soon I'm going to launch my products by God's grace. So I'll continue doing my treatment. So I'll proceed to deep condition my hair. So I'm just twisting my hair there. Thank you so much for watching, friends, and God bless you so much. Bye-bye. See you in our next video.